In this ClickFunnels tutorial, you will learn a simple way to add one-click upsells and downsells to your funnel using a button element. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account yet, use the link in the description to start an extended 30-day trial instead of the usual 14-day trial and receive our ClickFunnels course as a bonus. As always, use the timestamps below to jump to the part of the video that is relevant to you. Now let's get started. To add a one-click upsell to your funnel, you will need an order form where you're selling the main product and that also has the checkout element, and then you will need an upsell page. You can also add a downsell page, but it's not required. After that, I have the order confirmation page. When you add a one-click upsell, the customers will enter their billing information on the order form, and if they decide to get your upsell product as well, they can add it to the order with just one click without re-entering their billing information. That's what makes one-click upsells and downsells so powerful. Once you have all the necessary pages in place, we need to connect products to them. To do that, go to the upsell page, click the icon with 3 dots, and select Add Products. Click Add Product, and select the product that you want to show on the upsell page. After that, we can open the page in the editor. You can add a one-click upsell to a page in 2 ways, using a checkout element and using a button. We have a separate tutorial about how to set it up using the checkout element, and you can find it in the card up here. And in this ClickFunnels tutorial, we will focus on the simple method using the button element. So to add a one-click upsell to this page using a button, we need to add a button element. You can change the look of the button in the settings of the element. I will quickly change the color. And the text. You can also update the text of the button. And the most important thing that we need to do is to set the right button action. Open this drop-down and select one-click upsell. Then we click Add Product. We will already see the product that we added to the page, and we need to click on the card to select the product. This action will associate this product with this upsell button. Usually when customer decides to add your upsell product to the order and clicks the button, they will be redirected to the next page in the funnel. If you want them to go to a different page, you can use this function, redirect override, and paste the link to the page here. In this example, we will not use this function, and after somebody clicks on the button, they will go to the order confirmation page. Now the button is set up, and what's missing is a so-called no thank you link. I'll just clone this paragraph, move it below the button, and change the text. I will also make it smaller. As you may understand from the name of this element, it's needed for the people who don't want to take your upsell product. We added the text, and what we need to do now is to link it with the page where people should go if they don't want to take your upsell. In this example, it's still an order confirmation page because they bought your main product on the order form and they still need to see the order confirmation page. So I will save the changes, go back to the funnel, and copy the link to the order confirmation page. Now I select the text, click on the link icon to add the link, and paste the link URL here. We save the changes, and with that our one-click upsell page is ready. Now let's test it. We need to start with an order form. So we go here. After I purchase a product on the order form, we should see an upsell page, and no matter if I take an upsell product or not, we should be redirected to the order confirmation page. I will quickly enter my contact information and then we can proceed. My funnel is in the test mode, that's why for the credit card number I use this number. The date is any date in the future, and the code is 3 random characters. After that we click Submit to submit the order. I add the upsell product to my order, and after that I should see the order confirmation page. Everything is working as expected. On the order confirmation page, I see the main product and the upsell product, and the order summary that includes the price for both of them. Now let's do it once again, and this time we will decline the upsell product. I purchased the main product, and this time I will decline the upsell product but I still should land on the order confirmation page because we added the link to the page to this text element. And this also works as expected. On the order confirmation page, I see the main product that I purchased on the order form. A few important things to understand: if a customer lands on the upsell page without making a prior purchase on the order form, when they click a button, it will open a checkout form for them where they can enter their payment information and complete the purchase. For physical products, Clickfunnels will prompt the user to provide a shipping address for fulfillment if it wasn't provided on the order form. One thing before I show you how to set everything up if you have a downsell: if you want a faster path to launching your funnels and products in Clickfunnels without having to figure everything out on your own, check out our Clickfunnels course. Inside, I will walk you step by step through how to build funnels that convert, automate your follow-ups, build a course, a community, use other awesome Clickfunnels features, and launch with confidence, even if you're not tech-savvy. Whether you're a digital marketer, coach, a content or course creator, this course is built to save you months of guessing and help you launch your products faster without the tech overwhelm. You can get the course for free when you use our link to start your extended 30-day Clickfunnels trial, or if you already have a Clickfunnels account, you can get the course separately. Either way, the links to the trial and the course are in the description. If your goal is to launch your products faster and without tech issues, this is your shortcut. Now let's see how to set everything up if you also want to have a downsell. You will also need an order form, an upsell page, and then you will need a downsell page. Because we already have a one-click upsell set up on the upsell page, you can just clone it. Because the downsell page is basically the same as an upsell page, just with different content and with a different product. We will change the name of the page to avoid the confusion. Then we need to add a product to the downsell page. Click the icon with 3 dots, go to Add Products, click Add Product and select your downsell product. After that, we need to make a few changes on the upsell and downsell pages. First, we copy the link to the order confirmation page and then go to the upsell page. Now, when a customer goes to your upsell page and also purchases your upsell product, they don't need to go to the downsell page anymore. The next page that they need to see is an order confirmation page. That's why we go to the settings of the button. And because we don't want the customers to see the next step in the funnel, which would be a default flow, we need to enable the redirect override function here. You tick this checkbox and paste the link to the order confirmation page. After that, we save the changes. Then we copy the link to the downsell page and once again go to the upsell page. When a customer clicks the No Thank You link on the upsell page, it should redirect them to the downsell page. Before we had it set up to bring the customers to the order confirmation page, and right now we need to update the link. Click on the text and open the link settings and paste the link to the downsell page. Save the changes. Then we go to the downsell page. You of course will need to update the text on the page and the image to show your downsell product, and we also need to ensure that everything is set up correctly after we clone the page. So we go to the settings of the button. We check the button action, it's one-click upsell as we needed, but what's missing is the product. So we once again click Add Product and then select the product that we connected with the downsell page. We don't need the redirect override here because by default the customer will go to the next page in the funnel, and that's the order confirmation page. For some reason the look of the text changed here, so I can change it back in the settings. And this link should bring us to the order confirmation page as well, because no matter if the customer takes the downsell product or not, they should still go to the order confirmation page. And we just need to double check that it's the correct link. It should be the right link because we copied it from the upsell page when it went to the order confirmation page. We can close the settings and save the changes. Now let's test the flow with the downsell page. We again start on the order form, enter the test billing information, and purchase the main product. Next we see the upsell page, and if I now decline the upsell product by clicking on the No Thank You link, we should see the downsell page. That's right, that's the different page that I created for the downsell product. And let's take the downsell product and we should see the order confirmation page. I can already say that the setup is working as expected, but you can also test different scenarios by, for example, accepting an upsell product, declining the upsell product, declining both upsell and downsell products, and so on. And now let's take a look at another example when you want to have multiple upsell products and multiple upsell buttons on the same page. Using the button element for one-click upsells in Clickfunnels allows you to add multiple buttons with different products to the upsell page. While usually you would focus on one product per page, the option with multiple products is still possible. It also means that you can use the redirect override function and redirect a customer to different pages based on the upsell product that they purchased. For example, directing customers to different downsell or thank you pages. So if you want to set up multiple upsell buttons on the page, you need to add multiple products. Now we have 2 products added to the page. Then we open the page in the editor. I will clone the button and also clone the no thank you link. Then I will add another image as if we are offering another upsell product. We'll also clone the text. And move the button and the no thank you link. So now that could be an example of offering multiple upsell products on the same page. The next thing that we need to do is go to the button settings and make sure that it's connected to the right product. Let's say I select product number 1 and then decide if you want to have the redirect override or not. I will just disable it. And we go to the settings of the second button and connect the product number 2. And I will also disable the redirect override. If you use the redirect override or not depends on the flow of your funnel, and you can also add different links to the no thank you text. Don't forget to save the changes. So when you have a setup like this, on your upsell page your customers will see multiple products and they can purchase one of these products by clicking on the button here or decline the upsell products, and you can redirect them to a different downsell or an order confirmation page. That's how easy it is to create one-click upsell and downsells with the button element in Clickfunnels. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. If this Clickfunnels tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future tutorials.